great night tonight. Are you all having a great night tonight? Yan, at maraming tayong abangan. Later, we have side A. Sino mga excited dyan? Sit back and relax lang po kayo and enjoy your food. Enjoy the night, everybody. And